Hello everyone, in this video we are discuss trademark class and its significance. If you want to protect your goods and services by registration, then under the Trademark Act of 1999, but are unsure how to do so, you will come to right place. A trademark is basically a sign, design or symbol that distinguishes one source or company from other and identified it, and those that are used to distinguish a service are referred to as a service marks. The first trademark law was introduced by the English Parliament in 1266 and it was introduced in India in 1999 along with the product or any other display name of the business used online or offline. Trademarks can be added on packaging, labels, vouchers and website. In this video we will discuss why trademark classes search is important. Why is trademark essential for your business? A trademark is what makes you stand out from the competition and makes it simple for customer to locate you. The use of trademark promotes business expansion through social media and enhance product traffic and brand identification. Trademarks are regarded as valuable assets. Benefit of registering a trademark. It has many advantages such as brand protection is offered by trademark registration. Avoid confusion trademark. Also, these laws ensure that the owner receives greater benefits. It helps the owner in granting this trademark worldwide. Once a trademark is registered, its owner is legally recognized as the mark's owner. After trademark registration, the owner has the legal rights to prosecute anybody who uses the symbol without permission or in violation of trademark law. It is common knowledge that an unregistered trademark will never be used by the public. It is the simplest and least expensive approach to registering your logo. A registered trademark can express the mission, calibers and distinctive feature of your product. A registered trademark has the ability to be sold, assigned or even furnished. Young minds are drawn to big brands and can be drawn to them like a magnet. What are the classification of trademark services? Trademark class, there's trademark class 1 chemicals, trademark 2 paints, trademark 3 cosmetic product and cleaning solution, trademark class 4 lubricant and fuel. The trademark has 45 classes. And how does one pick which class to register a trademark in? Making the choice of which classes to register your trademark in can be difficult. Your consideration should be the following when determining which category your goods or services fall under. The nature and objective of the product or services, whether or not the product include any raw material, what tasks are performed by the service and what is the nature of service being offered. For example, if you intend to use your trademark on your own clothing lines, you will pick class 25 for clothing, footwears and headgears. With the trademark, you can open a store and sell goods made by other people. Select class 35 advertising, business, administration, business management, office responsibility, and then click the box next to the retail service for clothing. Thanks.